Hello, bookworms. Welcome back to our book review channel, Wealthy Reads. Today, we're diving into a financial gem that's sure to enlighten and inspire. The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt is a treasure trove of knowledge for investors. With his wit and wisdom, Greenblatt guides readers through the world of investing, sharing his insights on value investing. He explains why value investing is often overlooked and how it can lead to long-term success. Greenblatt's clear writing allows even novice investors to understand key concepts like earnings yield, return on capital, and price-to-book ratios. He presents real-life examples of successful investments and offers practical tips on how to apply these principles in your own portfolio. One of the standout features of this book is its practical approach. Greenblatt doesn't just explain theory, he shares specific companies that he believes are undervalued gems ready to be discovered by savvy investors like you. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for new perspectives or a beginner trying to navigate the complex world of finance, The Little Book That Still Beats the Market is a must-read. It's an essential guide for anyone looking to build wealth through sound investments. So, why not pick up this book today? Start your journey towards financial freedom with The Little Book That Still Beats the Market. Thank you for joining me in this review. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found it valuable, and subscribe for more book reviews and financial insights. Until next time, happy reading.